Shebada has a word from Miss
Now,
Blinga and RT Boss.
secondly, you won't no problem. You're gonna make me fight, that's why I'm bring this to Miss Blinga, Now, listen. RT Boss, better you come off a spice, okay? You steal, God believe me. You steal. Not even when I beat for a week, my underneath steal like your own. It's like my underneath clean itself. I want it is a cleaning company down here, so. It made a cleaning company down here, so because it look like Miss Blinga. I want to chat Miss Blinga early, But Miss Blinga, remember, say you're all a real estate. Just remember, say your crutches are real estate. You walk and rent out your property. Always remember that, Yes, my love. Nevertheless. No. So much things upon the internet to talk about. Me have to hurry up and pray. Me have to ensure that I put in my prayer time. Because me don't want too much mix up full up my database. Why Roger I threaten Jade? Lord Jesus, what is wrong with me? Why me not go wash the rice? Why when me get the rice for wash, me not go wash it? Why me not go wash the rice, people?